It's an update on the dash cluster for the 71 Duster. As you can see, you have your negative and your positive. That's your 12-volt lead. Very easy to follow because it's indicated. It says right there red, and of course the other one would be ground. This is the headlight harness, the dash cluster harness, which activates the circuit board. And this would be the wiper switch. There's two connectors on the wiper switch, if you could see it right there. I installed all the new indicator sockets and lamp sockets on it. Haven't received the cable yet, but I can't wait any longer. I have to put this thing on there so that I can put the steering column back on and start working on the floors. A little bit of rust on the floors there, but I'll get that taken care of. I won't bore you with installing all these screws, but it's just these three here and this three up on top. Well, there you have it. Not the best dash cluster in the world, but at least all the gauges are going to work. Oil light indicator and brake light indicator. Wipers will work. That is the original speedometer, the original miles on it, I guess 125,080. Had to use a couple trim panel screws on the top here, that one and that one, but it's on there. Make a little more progress. Well, there it is. The dash cluster's installed, the steering column's installed. You can see I did put, that's a screw, there is the plastic insulator there, and you have the two other ones right here, the right and the left side. The two wires, connectors, one's for the ignition switch, the other is the turn signal switch. And next is putting the shift mechanism, the shift linkage on the bottom. I was going to put a floor shifter on it, but since this is going to have the bench seat, I don't think it would have been too cool. So I'm leaving the stock shifter in place. I started putting a rust inhibitor on these floorboards here. It's actually working pretty good. You could see where the silver spots, that's all cleaned up already. Eventually this is going to get all cut out and patched. This is not going to be a concourse car or anything of that nature, so we're going to seal that up pretty good. Use some sheet metal and weld those in place and reseal it. This has already been treated twice. That you can see I only did it once. I need to do it a couple more times before we start grinding away on that. Well, the patch panels. But it's getting closer to being a running car. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.